put your face on. You know what I'm saying? Taylor's hungover. So Starbucks and Taco Bell is the medicine for the day.
Yep. That was so cute.
Post last week. We took a week off from vlogging. We just needed a break. We had some personal stuff going on. Back at it this week, but not very much to record again. We were hoping to get some trick-or-treaters on camera on Halloween, and we were super excited about that, but we had no trick-or-treaters, and now we have a lot of extra candy. It's already Thursday, and we haven't really did anything. Today is super rainy and gross, and I am super gross. I am going to pamper myself a little bit. I'm going to put on a face mask and a hair mask. Hey, at least you got to see my Halloween costume. Okay, so scratch that before. This is my Halloween costume. A couple days late. We'll come rinse off here soon. Funny because I feel like so clean and pretty, but then I look at myself and I'm like, girl, put your face on. You know what I'm saying?
Can you wash your hands by dishes?
My humps.
Woo! Lady Gaga.
I'm good at this
Have you
game.
seen her?
Thank you.
Sunglasses? Where are we going?
Chili's.
Chili's. We're going to Chili's and Target. It's so cold though, and rainy. I don't like it. Let me in. Ooh, it's so wet. Aw, you look so cute. Do you love me? See your scarf. We just went to AutoZone because Taylor needed headlight bulbs because he has the headlight out.
Yup.
What is that part of that movie when he's like, your tail light's out or whatever? Candy cane. Better do something about that tail light.
Really should get that fixed.
Get what fixed?
That tail light.
Now we're going to the grocery store because we need to get salt for our water softener and some food, and then we're gonna do something bad.
Even though I shouldn't.
KFC, Taco Bell.
Hubba hubba.